Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NABILA binti ZAKARIA and I'm from Robotic and Automation Department. I'm from class Shibuya and our group are going to do field study about hydraulic executors. The first one is hydraulic cutter, which is a pair of hydraulically powered shears. They have metal blades often made of hard steel that can cut through even the most difficult metals. It is often called the jaws of life owing to the shape and configuration of its blades, sometimes specific as to their capacity to cut a solid circular steel bar. These are the most commonly used to cut through a vehicle structure in an extraction operation. Cutter blades are also replaceable. The hydraulic power that operate them put forth an amazing amount of pressure, so they can chomp away at anything they are applied to. They are open to varying degrees depending on the size and model of the tools. A combination tool or combi tool, which combines the cutting and spreading functions of separate tools into a single tool. In operation, the tips of the spreader cutter's blades are wedged into a seam or gap, for example, around a vehicle door, and the device engaged. The hydraulic pump attached to the tool or as a separate unit powers a piston that pushes the blades apart with great force and spreads the seam. Once the seam has been spread, the now open blades can be repositioned around the metal. The device is engaged in reverse and the blades cross, cutting through metal. The blades can spray or cut with a force of several tons or kilonewtons, with the tips of the blades spread up to a meter. This operation can also be performed by spreading and cutting tools, which are designed especially for their own operations and may be required for some rescues. Spreader cutters sometimes have lower capabilities when compared to the tool, but may be useful when spare is at a premium on fire and rescue vehicles, or when the budget does not allow for a separate cutter and spreader tool. Many manufacturers utilize the body of their cutting tools for the combination tool. Especially engineered combination blades that are designed to spread and cut are used on the cutter body. If the end user decides later to add a separate cutter and spreader, the blades of the combination tool can be changed to make it a cutter only.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is HAMIZAN, and in this segment, I will tell you how to use the rescue tools. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the spreader, one of the hydraulic rescue tools that firefighter use to save the victim during in the car accident. The handle need to be twisted to open or close the jaw of the tools. The tool known as the spreader is because the tool used to lift or spread or open a large space to save the victim during in the car accident. Next, I will explain the power unit and the connector for the hydraulic rescue tools. So, this is the power unit, or other name is called as hydraulic unit. This unit is used to generate oil to the hydraulic equipment using the engine power. The power unit can contain up to maximum of 3 liter oil. The pressure is up to 350 bar. Next. This is double hydraulic hosiery. The length of this hose is about 20 meters long and the weight is about 26 kg. The pressure is up to 350 bar.